clean freaks, welcome back to my channel today. So today I am going to be giving you guys a clean with me, extreme clean with me because it's my office and it's extremely messy. And I just want to take you guys through just to show you my creative process of cleaning. I have to go through mail. This was my daughter's report card that she received from school. She passed all of her classes. Yay! All my kids passed all their classes, and I'm so grateful. But I am going to be cleaning my office. It's not going to be totally organized because I'm actually going to be doing a complete overhaul on this room. This room is going to be my new kitchen pantry, so stay tuned for that because it's going to be at the end of the summer. I'm going to be doing a complete kitchen renovation, and that is going to be on my DIY and home decor channel, Regal Designs by Shushana. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Subscribe to that channel, and I'm going to be leaving a link in the description box for that channel. That is my main channel. You can always go over there and check out what I have going on. We have so much fun over there. But yeah, I just want to take you guys through and let's get cleaning and organizing my office.
Want your kisses in the morning light, wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might, 'cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny.
So if this is your first time visiting my cleaning channel, hi, my name is Shushana, and I have two channels. This is my second channel, The Cleaning Queen, and on here I do a lot of cleaning, motivation, organizing, and decluttering. I just started my channel, so I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe, share, give this video a thumbs up and share my channel to your family, friends. Also double tap that bell so you receive all my cleaning notifications. I do upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays on here, and my original time was 6 o'clock, but I am actually going to be changing it to 12 midnight. That's my daughter showing you guys that she's dancing. She does TikTok, and I will leave her link down below in the description box. She's so silly. But my original time was 6 o'clock. Obviously that's not working for me, so I'm going to be doing my original 12 midnight uploads, and I'm going to be premiering it so you guys can always watch it at that time or when you get up. But I also do have my main channel, which is Regal Designs by Shushana, and on there I do a lot of DIYs, crafts, home decor, seasonal decor, and some thrifting, shop with me videos as well. So I will leave that link down in the description box. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't ever miss an episode of either of my videos from either of my channels. We have so much fun, and I am so grateful to those that have already supported and continue to support me. I am super duper grateful to you guys. I love y'all so much. And yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channels and leave a comment down below so that I can get to know you guys. Let me know your names, where you're from, and what is it that you would like to see on my cleaning channel or both of my channels. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day and that you are staying motivated to clean. I know it's crazy, but hopefully you guys are staying motivated to clean, and hopefully my videos are motivating you guys to help you guys get through your day of cleaning. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Be encouraged, be unique, inspire, and go inspire, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye guys.
Na 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 na. sorrows. In my sorrows. Maybe one night you can play the hero.